Hi, I am Chef Chad White, and I'm here celebrating Veterans Day with Kroger. Today we're going to be highlighting a veteran-owned company called True Made Foods. We are going to be making a Crab Louie Salad lettuce cup, so let's get started with the mayonnaise. We're going to add it to a bowl. Worcestershire, a little bit of horseradish. This is what's going to get your nose tingling a little bit of salt, black pepper, and we're going to add some green onion. And we're just going to slide this right into the bowl. This is all veggie, has no sugars, and it's made with just vegetables and fruits. Abe, my fellow Navy veteran, found it very important to create something that was healthy but also tastes delicious. Now adding a little bit of fresh lemon, make sure to well incorporate it. Then we're gonna add some crab right to this bowl. This is all mixed up nice and good. We're gonna set this aside, and we're gonna grab our lettuce to make our lettuce cups. Cut off the end, and I'm gonna pick the most pretty ones that will look best on a plate and hold the crab in the lettuce cup the best. We eat with our eyes, so we're gonna start adding a little bit of fresh cherry tomatoes. Just arrange these nice and neat. Finally, we're gonna add some zestiness. These capers are quite briny. And I'm gonna chop this up just a little bit so that it really breaks out the essential oils and spreads the flavors nicely. Crab Louie dressing right on top for good measure. I don't know about you, but I like it saucy. A little bit of parsley, and then some fresh squeezed lemon. Oh yeah. Make sure to visit Kroger.com to find more recipes just like this. And if you're looking to find some of the True Made Foods ketchup, visit your Kroger family stores. I'm gonna start eating this, so you guys gotta go, and I'm gonna grub down.